Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your ALCATEL X3 2019, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now we have to click on the security and location, go for the screen lock, and right now we can change it, for example for the pattern. Click on the yes, draw your pattern, then click on the next and confirm. Once again, tap on the confirm. Right now we can manage the notifications on the lock screen. Click on it done, and right now when we are going to lock our device and try to unlock, we have to input our pattern. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.